Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we will be, I really don't know. I usually plan stuff, but now I really don't know. I guess we're just going to explore a bit our new states and I don't know. But we might be going on that, hopefully at the run thingy. So let's go pick up my car from the garage and then I'll then I'll cut you guys back in 1 minute. Okay, I have picked up my car. Okay, I know I got a new car the other day, but I want to do this one. And this one is probably like the best one. So yeah. By the way, in this roleplay, I am 17, but yeah. Okay, sorry about that. I got called, but anyways, I am like 17 in this roleplay. This roleplay will be that I moved out from my parents' home and I moved to another state. This estate is called, hold on, what's it called? North Carolina. Surprisingly, it's like really warm today. It's like, I think it's meant to be like 12 degrees, I don't know. But I'm guessing 12 degrees. Like, I'm not usually like right, but I'm guessing. My house should be like way down here, like way down here. Just keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Oh yeah, I see my house, it's way down there. I'll catch you guys back when I'm over at my house. Okay guys, I have arrived at my house. This is like the cutest house I think I've ever saw. But yeah, I'm just gonna go inside, close my door. This might be office space, I'm like forgetting about it, and it's like so cute. Oh. Anyways, I'm going to make some food. Okay, I'm cooking asparagus and fish, I think it is. I'm not really sure. It's asparagus and salmon. How do you pronounce it? We usually pronounce it as salm or salam or something like that. I'm British, so I'm not really like, I don't know. I guess I'm British. I don't know. As it says up there, I'm like not actually 17, obviously, but like it says up there, like the country I'm actually in, the UK. So like yeah. Also, if my voice sounds a little bit different, I've got a sore throat. Why is there baby stuff in my house? That is not normal. Oh my god, my voice. I'm so sorry. Anyways, I'm just going to wait on that food and I'll get back to you guys when it is out of the oven. Okay, but guys, I think I kind of fixed my voice. I'm really not sure. But like, it just like sounds like so weird. Also, look at my edges I did. They're so cute. But anyways, I'm just gonna wait on this food to be done and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Wait, stop. Don't. I don't know why I didn't make the noise, okay. Anyways, guys, I literally just woke up. These better not be burnt. If they're burnt, I will cry. Yes, they're not burnt. Yes. Thankfully. And let's just put it on my tray. I did have this the other day, but okay, I'm finished. Now that I'm finished eating, I am going to go and run some errands and go shopping because I could not make the food that I wanted because I had barely any shopping. Why did I just close my door again? I had barely any. Like literally, I had like just enough to make that, and like that is not okay. So we're just gonna take a U-turn. I remember like yesterday, like IRL, I was playing this game on my phone, and okay, it was very obvious, and I was just driving like usual, like just normal driving, and some lady came up to me, like she didn't come up to me, like she drove past me, and like she purposely crashed into my car and was like, "You're such a bad driver," and I'm like, "Girl, you just crashed into me." So yeah, that's a quick story time while we wait for this. But anyways, now we're just like nearly home, but let's go back to the old boy. Okay, I am so sorry for doing that. Anyways, currently away to, I think the grocery store is down here, I'm guessing. I haven't lived here for very long, so I have no clue. This place is like literally like a ghost town, like. But anyway, that's okay. Because I have loads of neighbors, like so much. Anyways, I'm just gonna turn. If this isn't the grocery store, the car. Okay, this is the grocery store. Can't park for the Tesla's park. I wish I could park for the Tesla's park, but because I don't have to pay so much for fuel. Like that. Comment down below if like Tesla cars like pay for like to get their car charged. Cause I actually never knew like if they do or not, and like I don't think I'll ever know unless like I search it up on like Google or Safari or whatever, and I really can't be bothered. So just comment down below, and if you don't know, just search it up and then tell me. Okay, I'm just collecting all my veggies, and now I'm going to get some sugar and some flour. Then we're going to grab some rice and eggs. That should be around here. Yep, eggs. Now we're going to grab some milk and turkey and fish. And meat and fish. And then we're going to go get some sodas and like fizzy juice over here. And then cheese. And that should be my shopping finished. Just scan it all up. There we go, I've collected my groceries. Now we're going to leave, and I'll meet you guys back when I'm driving. Okay, I'm just driving. Driving. Now I should be nearly home. I'm crossing this bridge again. But yeah, this car I'm in love with. I think it's like a mountain Jeep, or just like a normal Jeep. I think it's just a normal Jeep, but still it is like the cutest Jeep I've ever had. Like, if you look at the thing in the back, and like the back seat has a new roof. Seems like the top there, like there's no roof. It's just got like this really cute design on it, but like it's like the like walls look folded, but they're still so cute. Okay, anyways, we have arrived back home. I'm gonna go inside and store all my groceries away, and I'll get back to you guys after. Okay, I've currently stored all my groceries away. Oh, I need to put them away. But yeah, I just need to store some of them away in their cupboard, and then store some away in that one. Okay, that's all good. I'm gonna go get changed into my PJs probably, and I will catch you guys back after I'm in my PJs. Okay guys, I am in my PJs. I love my hair. It's like a messy bun, ponytail all in one. Yeah, I'm just gonna like put some of my clothes away. Some, and then look at how like light it is at my window. Oh, the moon's only starting to come up, that's why. It looks so cool. Anyways, let's close my blinds. I am planning on getting a shower tomorrow, so that's why I'm not getting one tonight. I'll get one tomorrow morning, but I will catch you guys when I wake up. Okay? Good night, my beautiful berries. Oh, that's my alarm. I need to change it. It's like so annoying. But as I promised, I'm getting a shower, so I'm gonna get in my into the shower and top out, and yeah. Okay, I'm just brushing my teeth now. Make sure I get both sides. Guys, make sure you brush your teeth too. It is like hygienic. Anyways, now that I've finished brushing my teeth, I'm going to wash my face. Make sure every single last part of that off, and then I'm going to change. Okay, guys, this is my outfit for the day. Cute and casual. Let's check the weather. Oh, it's lashing. Oh, I hate when it rains. But anyways, that's okay. I'm gonna make myself some cereal and I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. Okay, I made myself some noodles, eggs, and I forgot what they're called. But like, yeah. Oh no, I think my power just went off. I'll go check. I'm gonna turn my power back on. There you go, my power's back on. That scared me for a minute. Like, well, I thought there was gonna be a tornado, but like, there could not be a tornado. Like, literally. Like, I don't even think there's meant to be tornadoes here in South Carolina, but I guess we'll have to see. I'm actually really scared in case there is. This house has a basement, right? Right? Oh my gosh, I need to go check. I'm probably overreacting, but I need to go check if this house has a basement. So we've got just bathrooms that'll probably keep me very safe. Here, probably also keep me really safe. Close the doors. Oh goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in here on the toilet. Not actually just on the toilet. I don't know why I just rushed there. I'm gonna sit here and foot passes. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there's definitely a tornado coming. I need to go check for sure though. Oh my god, my mom coming to my house. Okay, we need to seek shelter like as quick as possible. Okay, wait, I just need to like lie down here and like hope it just passes. Okay guys, I don't know if it's passed or not, but I'm gonna get up and get somewhere where I can actually, you know, tell you guys it. Oh goodness. Okay, okay, why is that open like that? I actually wanted to open like nicely. But anyways. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want more awesome videos like this. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye my beautiful berries.